So, dear students, in the last class, I told you what is a solution. What is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. So, the substance which is present in smaller proportion in the solution is called solute, and the substance which is present in larger proportion is called solvent. So, when a solute is mixed with the solvent, you will get a homogeneous clear solution. That is what is known as a solution. So, then coming to the concentration of solution. What is concentration? Concentration indicates the amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent. What is concentration? It is the amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent is called concentration of solution. So, concentration of solution can be expressed in many ways. So, in your classes, I will tell you only 4 methods of expressing concentration of solution. Number 1, mass percent or weight percent. Number 2, molarity. Number 3, molality, and number 4, mole fraction. So, in the last class I told you what is mass percent. What is mass percent? It is the mass of the solute present in 100 gram of the solution. Mass of the solute present in 100 gram of the solution is known as mass percent. What is the formula for mass percent? Mass percent of the solute is equal to mass of the solute in grams divided by mass of the solution in grams into 100. To know the mass of solution, what we have to do? Mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent is equal to mass of the solution. So, today we will tell you what is molarity of the solution. So, this is very important. Second method of expressing concentration of solution is molarity. So, it is also important from your examination point of view. What is molarity? How do you define molarity? It is defined as, molarity is defined as, it is the number of moles of solute. It is the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter, present in 1 liter or 1000 cm cube of its solution. It is the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of its solution. It is very important. It is the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter or 1000 cm cube. 1 liter contains, 1 liter is nothing but 1000 cm cube of its solution. So, molarity of solution, it is represented as capital M. It is represented as capital M. Molarity M of solution equals number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in liter. This is equals number of moles of solute ND divided by volume of solution in liter. So, here what is NB? NB equals number of moles of solute. How to determine the number of moles of solute? Number of moles of solute equals WB over MB. WB equals, where WB equals weight of the solute in grams. WB. So here B for solute, A for solvent. WB means weight of the solute in grams, and MB equals molar mass of the solute. Molar mass of the solute. So number of moles of solute in 1 liter of its solution is called molarity. This is very important. Define molarity. It is the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of its solution. Here you have to clearly understand 1 liter of its solution means the solute and the solvent together. The volume of the solution must be the volume of the solute and the volume of the solvent. Togetherly it is equal to 1 liter. So number of moles of solute, for example I want to prepare sodium hydroxide. So I have the solute sodium hydroxide. So here what is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide? Molar mass of sodium hydroxide equals molar mass equals atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16 plus atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1, that is equals 40. Molar mass of sodium hydroxide is equal to 40. So if the mass of solute, mass of NaOH is equal to 4 grams, then NB, number of moles of solute, NB, number of moles of NaOH is equal to what? WB over MB. So this is WB and this is equal to MB. So 4 divided by 40, that is equals 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole. So this is how we can calculate number of moles. Number of moles equals weight of the solute in grams divided by gram molecular mass of the solute. You will get NB. So this much moles of solute dissolved in V liter of solution. So molarity of solution equals number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in liter. So in laboratories, volume of the solution is given in ml, milliliters or cc. In that sense, we have to convert this liter into ml or centimeter cube by dividing it by 1000. So also you can calculate the molarity of the solution equals number of moles of solute. What is the formula of number of moles of solute? WB over MB gives number of moles of solute into volume of solution in liter. So to convert liter into ml, we have to divide the volume by 1000. So this becomes V divided by 1000. This becomes cc, volume of the solution divided by 1000. So 1000 goes to numerator and V becomes V in cc. So Now the volume of the solution in cc. So if it is not multiplied by 1000, volume of the solution is in liter. To convert liter into cc's or mLs, we have to divide it by 1000. Therefore, 1000 goes to numerator, and this is the molarity of the solution m. Molarity of the solution equals, what is WB? So here WB equals weight of the solute, and MB equals molar mass of the solute. Molar mass of the solute. V in cc equals volume of solution in cm cube, not in liters. If it is divided by 1000, that goes to numerator, 1000 goes to numerator, and the volume becomes in cc. So this is the formula to calculate molarity of the solution. Molarity of the solution equals number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So number of moles can be determined using the formula WB over MB, weight of solute divided by molecular mass. To convert volume in liter to volume in cc, it should be divided by 1000. 1000 goes to numerator. So this is the molarity of the solution. You have to write what is WB, MB and V in cc. So coming to some important notes here. Note number 1. If 1 mole of solute, if 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of its solution, 1 liter of its solution, comma, the molarity of the solution, molarity of the solution. What is the molarity of the solution? Number of moles is 1. If it is dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. What is the molarity of the solution equals? 1 m, 1 molar. So the solution is called molar solution. So if a solution contains 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of its solution, it is called 1 molar solution, or it is simply called a molar solution. So this is note number 1. So what is the definition of molarity? Molarity is one of the methods of expressing concentration of solution. So then what is molarity? Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of its solution. This is very important. Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of its solution gives molarity of the solution. So molarity of solution equals number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in liter. That is equals NB divided by V in liter. What is NB? Number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute can be determined by the formula WB over MB. WB is weight of the solute, MB is the molar mass of the solute. If you divide weight of the solute by its molar mass, you will get number of moles. So if the weight of the solute is equal to its gram molecular mass, then NB is equal to 1. For example, if 40 gram of sodium hydroxide, is taken, then WB is equal to 40, molar mass is also equal to 40, 40 divided by 40 is equal to 1. If the weight of the solute is equal to its gram molecular mass, then NB is equal to 1. That means number of moles is equal to 1. If 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of its solution, then M is equal to 1 molarity of the solution. If 1 mole of the solute is dissolved in 1 liter of its solution, then the molarity of the solution is 1 molar, and the solution is called molar solution. This is note number 1. Number 2, what is the unit of molarity? Unit of molarity equals moles per dm cube, or mole per liter, moles per dm cube. 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube. Moles per dm cube or moles per liter or 1 molar. It is simply called molar. So number 3, effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. So when temperature is increased, what about the value of molarity? So what is the effect of temperature? So increase of temperature, so molarity is inversely proportional to temperature. Molarity is inversely proportional to temperature. So if temperature is increased, what happens? Volume of the solution increases due to expansion. When the volume of the solution increases, molarity decreases. Therefore, molarity is inversely proportional to volume, where volume is directly proportional to temperature. Therefore, molarity is inversely proportional to temperature. That means if temperature increases, molarity decreases. Molarity decreases, and vice versa. So these 3 points you have to note down. You have to note down the definition, molarity. What is the equation for molarity is also very important. Molarity equals number of moles divided by volume of solution in liter. So it can also be calculated using this equation. Molarity of solution M is equal to WB over MB into 1000 divided by V in Cc, volume in cm cube or volume in ml. And then you know what is WB. Here B represents solute. If I use A, that represents solvent. Coming to the important notes. If 1 mole of solute means if the weight of the solute is equal to its gram molecular mass, then the number of moles is equal to 1 mole. If 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 liter, then that solution is called a molar solution or 1 molar solution. So what is the unit of molarity? Unit of molarity is equal to mole per dm cube or mole per liter, or it is simply called molar. So then what is the effect of temperature? Increase of temperature decreases molarity, because this equation, molarity equation, contains the volume terms where the volume of solution is directly proportional to temperature. If temperature is increased, volume of the solution increases by expansion. Therefore, molarity decreases. Molarity decreases. So I will give you a simple problem so that you can understand the concept of molarity easily. So problem number 1. So such problems will be asked in the examinations. So you note down all these things. calculate the molarity. Calculate the molarity of NaOH solution, sodium hydroxide solution, prepared by dissolving 4 gram of NaOH, 4 gram of NaOH in 250 ml of the solution, 250 ml of the solution. So, for the preparation of molar solutions, we will use standard flasks. Standard flask will be like this. So, for the preparation of a standard solution, what is a standard solution? A solution whose concentration is known is called a standard solution. For the preparation of standard solution, we will use standard flask. This is standard flask. So this is the standard flask. You may have standard flask of capacity 1000 ml, 500 ml, 250 ml, 100 ml, 50 ml, 25 ml, 10 ml, etc. Suppose I take, this is the capacity of this standard flask is 1000 ml. It is also called as 1 liter. So here there will be a mark. So if you prepare solution up to this mark, the volume of this solution is 1 liter or 1000 ml. So how to prepare 1 molar solution? So for example, sodium hydroxide solution is given, sodium hydroxide salt is given. You will be asked to prepare 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. So what is the formula? Molarity M is equal to WB over MB into 1000 divided by volume of solution in liters. So what is the volume of the solution required? 1000 ml. You write 1000. So what is the molarity of the solution needed? 1 molar. So write 1. So what is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide? Molar mass of sodium hydroxide is equal to, so this one is M is equal to 1000 divided by VCC. So WB divided by, what is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide? 40 into 1000 divided by what is the volume of solution required? 1000 cc. What is the molarity? 1. So you can calculate what should be the weight of sodium hydroxide you have to take. So if you simplify, WB is equal to 40. So if you simplify this one, what is WB is equal to 1 into 40 into 1000 divided by 1000 divided by 1000. So 1000 cancels. What is W? 40. WB is equal to 40 grams. So if 40 gram of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 1000 cc of solution, you will get 1 molar solution. If 40 gram of sodium hydroxide, so to calculate molarity of the solution, this is the formula. M is equal to WB over MB into 1000 divided by V in cc, volume of solution in cc's. I will be asked to prepare 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution of how many volumes? 1000 cc. So for that, put 1000, the volume of solution required is 1000 cc and molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40. What should be the molarity? 1. Then I can calculate what should be the weight of the solute taken. Now WB is equal to 1 into 40 into 1000 divided by 1000, that is equals 40. So if 40 gram of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 1000 cc of its solution, you will get 1 molar solution. So how to prepare 1 molar solution? Put 40 gram of sodium hydroxide into this flask. This flask is called standard flask. Weigh accurately 40 gram of sodium hydroxide into this conical flask, this standard flask. Then put some water and dissolve the solution, dissolve the solute. So weigh accurately how many grams of sodium hydroxide? 40 grams into this standard flask. Then dissolve the solute in little water and make up the solution up to the mark here. So put more water so that the volume should be equal to this one. So what is the total volume of this solution now? 1000 ml. How much it contains? 40 grams. 40 grams means it is called 1 gram molecular mass. So 40 divided by 40 into 1000 divided by 1000 is equal to 1 molar. So this solution is 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution. So that is note number 1. If 1 mole of solute means 1 gram molecular mass of solute is called 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of its solution, then the concentration or molarity of the solution is 1 molar. 1 molar. So here in the problem, weight of the solute is given. So 40 gram is not given. They have given only 4 gram of sodium hydroxide. What is the volume of the solution I have to prepare? I have to prepare only 250 cc. What should be the molarity? So molarity of the solution. What is the formula for molarity of solution? So molarity of solution M equals, what is the formula I have to use? WB divided by MB into 1000 divided by volume of solution in cc. Volume of solution in cc. So in this problem, which is the solute I have taken? Sodium hydroxide is the solute. So what is the weight of the solute? WB equals weight of solute. Solute here means sodium hydroxide. What is the weight of solute? 4 gram. 4 gram. Then MB is equal to molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute. What is the solute? NaOH. You have to calculate molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16 plus atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, that is equals 40 gram is called molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Then V in cc. What is the volume of the solution I have to prepare? Equals 250 ml or 250 cc. So here atomic mass of Na equals 23, oxygen equals 16, hydrogen equals 1. So you have to remember the atomic mass to calculate molecular mass. So what is the weight of sodium hydroxide? 4 into 1000 divided by, what is MB? 40 into, what is the volume of solution? 250. It is 250. So this is equals 250 4 times. So 4 into 4, 16 divided by 40. That is equals how much? You calculate 16 divided by 40 is equal to, what is the molarity of the solution? So 16 divided by 40 is equal to 0.4 molar. So this is the molarity of solution. ಯಾವ solution ಇದು? NaOH solution is equal to 0.4 molar. 0.4 molar. So this is how you can calculate molarity of the solution. What is the formula for molarity of solution? WB over MB into 1000 divided by V in CC. Definition ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of its solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Its solution means volume. The solution should contains both solute and the solvent. The volume of the solution contains both the volume of solution and the solute. So this is how you can calculate molarity of the solution. So I will give you another problem. You work out at home. So homework problem number 1. Calculate the molarity of a solution. Calculate the molarity of a solution of glucose. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. Prepared by dissolving 18 gram of glucose in 250 cc of its solution. So here the solute is given, weight of the solute is given. Weight of the solute is 18 grams. Molar mass of glucose you have to determine. What is atomic mass of carbon? So atomic mass of carbon equals 12, hydrogen equals 1, oxygen equals 16. So you have to determine the molar mass of solute. Weight of the solute is given, determine the molar mass, and then what is the volume of the solution is also given, 250. So simplifying by using this formula you can calculate molarity of the solution. I will give you another problem. 0.53 gram of anhydrous sodium carbonate. What is the formula of sodium carbonate? Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate is dissolved in  water, and the solution is made up to 100 ml. First up, what is the molarity? What is the molarity of the solution? So here also weight of the solute is given, volume of the solution is also given. Weight of the solution, weight of the solute, and this is the volume of the solution. You have to prepare molar mass of sodium carbonate using the formula Na2CO3. For this, atomic mass of sodium equals 23, carbon equals 12, carbon equals 12, and oxygen equals 16. Oxygen equals 16. So 23 into 2 plus 12 into 1 plus 16 into 3. 16 into 3. So you will get the molar mass. You will get the molar mass. So then calculate the molarity of this solution, molarity of this solution. So you have to use this formula. Use this formula. So this is about definition of molarity, formula to calculate molarity of the solution, weight divided by molecular mass into 1000 divided by volume of the solution in cc. You have to take the volume of the solution in cc. So usually volume of the solution is given in cc. So what is the next method of expressing concentration of the solution? It is molality. Molality. So third method of expressing concentration of solution is molality. It is represented by small m. Molality of a solution. How to define molality of solution? So it is the number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute. It is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. The number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent is called molarity. Molality is called molality. It is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Stop. It is represented as it is represented as m. It is represented as small m. So then what is molality of the solution? Molality of the solution, m equals number of moles of the solute. Number of moles of the solute is calculated using the formula NB equals WB over MB. Number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kgs. Mass of the solvent in kgs. So here mass of the solvent is taken separately and mass of the solvent is solute is also taken separately. So this is equals number of moles of solute is equal to what? NB divided by weight of the solvent in kgs. Weight of the solvent in kgs. So usually weight of the solvent is given in grams. To convert grams into kgs, we have to divide it by 1000. So you can also use this formula molality of the solution. Molarity of the solution m equals number of moles of the solute NB is equal to WB divided by MB. WB divided by MB. Number of moles WB divided by MB into, so to convert the weight of, if the weight is given in grams. To convert it into kgs, we have to divide it by 1000. 1000 goes to numerator divided by WA. What is WA? Weight of the solvent in grams. So WB equals weight of the solute in grams. MB equals molar mass of the solute, molar mass of the solute, and then WA equals weight of the solvent in grams, weight of the solvent in grams. So to convert grams into kgs, we have to divide it by 1000. Therefore, 1000 goes to numerator. So this is the formula for molality. Molality equals WB divided by MB into 1000 divided by WA. Molarity nalli volume of the solution ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ weight of the solvent ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Weight of the solvent. Weight of the solvent. So this is the formula for molality of solution equals WB divided by MB into 1000 divided by WA, where WA is the weight of the solvent in grams. WB equals weight of the solute in grams, and MB is equal to molar mass of the solute, that is grams per mole. Then coming to important notes. What are the important notes? Number 1, if 1 mole of the solute, if 1 mole of the solute, suppose this is a solution, so 1 kg of the solvent, if I take 1 kg of the solvent and if I dissolve 1 mole of the solute, 1 mole of solute, NB is equal to WB divided by MB. If WB is equal to MB, if WB is equal to MB, then NB is equal to 1. If WB is equal to MB, then NB, number of moles, is equal to 1. That means if 1 mole of solute means if the weight of the solute is equal to its gram molecular mass, then NB is equal to 1. NB equals 1 means 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent, then the concentration of the solution is 1 molal. If 1 mole of the solute is dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent, 1 kg of the solvent, then the molality of the solution, is 1 m or 1 molal. If 1 mole of the solute is dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent, then the molarity of the solution is 1 m, or it is called 1 molal solution. What is the unit? Unit of molality equals mole per kg, or mole kg to the power of -1, or 1 molal. It is called 1 molal. It is called molal. And then what is the effect of temperature? Temperature has no effect on molality. Temperature has no effect on molality because this equation does not contain volume terms. So since volume is affected by temperature but weight is not affected by temperature, therefore molality is not affected by temperature. So out of molarity and molality, molality is unaffected by temperature, whereas molarity is affected by temperature. If temperature is increased, molarity decreases. Molality is unaffected by temperature. So this is enough for today, and I will continue tomorrow. Okay.